Epithelial tissue is one of the four elementary tissues of the human body. It forms the outer covering of the body surface and lines the cavities of internal organs. The main functions of epithelium are protection of body organs from physical and chemical injury, secretion of enzymes and other products onto free body surfaces, and selective movement of substances into and out of the body. Epithelial tissue consists of an apical surface and a basal surface. The apical surface is the free end, facing the body surface or the lumen of an internal organ, and may contain cilia or microvilli. Lateral surfaces are joined to adjacent cells by tight junctions, adhesive belts, desmosomes, and gap junctions. The basal surface is attached to the basement membrane, which consists of a basal lamina secreted by epithelial cells and a reticular lamina secreted by underlying connective tissue. Epithelial tissue is avascular. It has no blood vessels and depends on the underlying connective tissue for nourishment by diffusion. Covering and lining epithelium is classified based on arrangement of cells. First, simple epithelium, made up of a single layer of thin, closely arranged cells. Functions: secretion, absorption of nutrients, diffusion, and osmosis. Second, stratified epithelium, consists of more than one layer of epithelial cells. Main function is protection against wear and tear. Third, pseudostratified epithelium, consists of a single layer but appears multi-layered because nuclei are at different heights. Cells may contain cilia and goblet cells that secrete mucus, which traps dust and foreign particles. Based on shape, we have four types. 1. Squamous epithelium. Thin, flattened cells like tiles on a floor. Helps in easy and quick passage of substances. 2. Cuboidal epithelium. Cube-shaped or hexagonal cells with microvilli on the apical surface that help in secretion and absorption. 3. Columnar epithelium. Rectangular, column-shaped cells with cilia or microvilli at the apical surface, helping in secretory and absorptive functions. 4. Transitional epithelium. A highly specialized type with basal cuboidal or columnar cells and apical dome-shaped cells. These cells stretch and de-stretch, lining organs like the urinary bladder. Simple squamous epithelium lines the heart, blood vessels, kidneys, and lung alveoli. Functions: filtration, secretion, diffusion. Simple cuboidal epithelium covers the ovary, tubules of kidneys, and ducts of glands, and forms secretory portions of thyroid and pancreas. Functions: absorption and secretion. Simple columnar epithelium lines the GI tract, gallbladder, and ducts of glands. Ciliated columnar lines bronchioles, fallopian tubes, and brain ventricles. Functions: absorption, secretion, and moving mucus and oocytes. Stratified squamous epithelium lines skin, mouth, esophagus, and vagina. It protects against injury, water loss, UV rays, and foreign invasion. Transitional epithelium lines the urinary system, allowing stretching of the bladder and ureters. Glandular epithelium is concerned with secretion. Glands are divided into two main classes. Endocrine glands, also called ductless glands. Hormones enter the circulation directly by diffusion. Examples: pituitary, adrenal, and thyroid gland. Exocrine glands contain ducts into which products are secreted onto epithelial surfaces. Examples: sweat glands secrete sweat, salivary glands secrete saliva. Other secretions include mucus, oil, earwax, and digestive enzymes. Exocrine glands are classified as unicellular, like goblet cells, and multicellular, like sweat glands. Multicellular glands can be simple or compound, and tubular, acinar, or tubuloacinar in shape. Examples include gastric glands, sebaceous glands, mammary glands, and pancreatic acinar glands. That concludes our overview of epithelial tissue.